Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Anthony Peso. So, part two of the crab cooking is this is right here the result of excellent
Show 'em, baby.
crab.
Yummy.
Like there's no way to explain like how to make excellent crab other than just to watch your boy do it. Plate full right here. You know, they're so good we don't even make plates. We just grab them off the platter, straight into the butter, which is the sauce, and that's how you crack a crab. Don't take my cracker. Exactly what I'm working with right here.
Oh, there you go.
Yum yum yum. See, another one.
Right out.
See, a lot of people overcook the crab meat. They overcook the shell, and then it ends up sticking on the inside. See, what I'm gonna do in my next vlog, I'm gonna end up showing you the exact way to cook seafood, crab meat, fish. You know, later on this week we're gonna deep fry yet another turkey or some sort of bird, maybe a chicken. But www.iampeso.com. Peace.